Welcome to this short video from RT Prime featuring a recent collaboration with a notable medical device designer. What drives innovation in medical devices? Precision, ingenuity, the relentless pursuit of excellence. That's why industry leaders turn to RT for their manufacturing needs. Take for example, our recent collaboration with the Avos Ex Vivo organ support system. This cutting-edge device is revolutionizing organ transplants, keeping human organs viable outside the body longer than ever before. Our role? It's pivotal. Prototypes were produced in Canada and we collaborated on DFM to achieve engineering requirements. 44 injection molded tools were designed to produce 54 custom plastic parts. Medical-grade materials had to be sourced worldwide for biocompatibility and gamma sterilization. 200 machine parts and 5 compression molded parts were manufactured under RT's quality assurance program. And engineering change orders were expedited to achieve a target launch within 6 months. After all, it's not just about manufacturing, it's about working together to craft the future of medical care one innovation at a time. Thank you for watching this short video. If you would like to get in touch with us today, we can be reached by email at info@rtprime.com or on the web at www.rtprime.com.